Have you ever met someone who just didn't like you, no matter how kind or polite you were? What if I told you the secret to making anyone like you isn't doing them a favor, it's getting them to do a favor for you? Sounds backwards. It is, but it's also backed by psychology. And once you understand it, you'll never see social interactions the same again. We often believe that being liked means giving more, doing more, or proving ourselves. But that mindset creates desperation and pushes people away. Here's the truth. People value what they invest in. And when they invest in you, through even a small act, they subconsciously convince themselves that they like you. This is where one of the most counterintuitive psychological tricks comes into play. It's called the Ben Franklin effect, named after the American statesman who once faced hostility in Congress. Instead of confronting his rival, Franklin asked to borrow a rare book from him. The man obliged. Later, Franklin thanked him, and suddenly their relationship softened. That rival went from disliking him to becoming a loyal ally. Why? Because when we do someone a favor, we unconsciously justify it by thinking, I must like this person, otherwise why would I help them? It's reverse logic, but the brain doesn't like contradictions, so it rewires the emotion to match the action. A study by researcher Jecker and Landy, 1969, proved this. Participants who were asked to return a personal favor to the researcher rated him as more likable than those who weren't asked at all. Doing the favor actually increased their positive feelings. That's the Ben Franklin effect in action, scientifically proven. Want to make someone like you instantly? Ask them for a small favor. It could be something as simple as, can you review this for me quickly? Would you help me with this decision? Can I borrow your notes or opinion? The key? Keep it small and non-threatening. The favor isn't what matters. The psychological shift is. Use this trick wisely, because once someone feels they've helped you, they start to feel emotionally invested in you. That's when real influence begins. If you found this psychological insight powerful, make sure to check out our video on 7 dark psychology facts about human behavior, linked below. And remember, it's not about what you give. It's about what they give to you. Psychology Pulse isn't just a channel. It's a movement designed to help you unlock your true power. So, hit that subscribe button now, or stay stuck where you are. The choice is yours. Until next day, curious, stay unpredictable with Psychology Pulse.